balikan po natin ang aksyon dito po sa Shakey's V-League. Once again, our phonetics, v-league.ph is our official website. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Itong si Ate Ivy Remulla, wala pang Twitter account. Gawa kaya siya? Tanong natin. Ivy, go ahead.
Noel, ikaw ang gagawa ng account ko, diba? Okay, just before the start of the game, I was able to chat with both coaches. And for Adamson, Coach Sherwin said that he's confident coming into this game kasi maganda ang pinapakita ng mga bata sa practice. And he is hoping that this is the same kind of game and level that he will be seeing in this match. The game plan for today is to watch out for the key players ng Perpetual, namely si Cases, De Los Santos, and Tobino, and to play very good defense today. Sabi niya, ang Perpetual is a very solid team, so they should always keep their guards up. And we have, of course, one of the regulars na si Amanda Villanueva, as we see, is sitting out in the game today. Meron lang siya na-experience na pain in her lower abdomen, and because hindi pa na-determine ng doctors, wala pang diagnosis, she's advised to sit this out. Sit and rest for a while. Meanwhile, for Perpetual, si Coach Jason is also happy. Despite the fact that they had a very slow start, he said na umaangat naman daw ang laro ng team. And for today's game, they really focused on defense, reorganizing that, recognizing the fact that Adamson is a strong defensive team as well. If there would be something that he's looking or keeping a close eye on sa Perpetual, and it is a defensive pattern of the team. According to Coach, importante na hindi ito nawawala. Back to you guys.
Balikan natin yung storya dito kay Amanda Villanueva. We've heard this happen already before na as Joy Cases gets the point on that cross-court hit na may mga sumasakit ang tiyan because ang dami, I'm sure there's a lot of pulled muscles kasi lundag kayo na lundag eh.
Oh, tsaka syempre minsan yan, no, yung biglang dive. I mean, there are a lot of possible causes, so that's something that they have yet to really pin down.
Oh, let's hope it's nothing major para dito kay Amanda Villanueva. Very the emerging superstar, masasabi natin para sa kupunan ng Adamson. Here's Angela Benting. Dug up there by Sartin. Argarin now going to Sandra. Sandra kinapos yung kanyang tira doon. Here is Joy Cases. Makatuno. Faye Guevara. Nice block by Sandra. Benting. Paat. Paat this time. Iba na yung malaki. Cases. Ganda ng block ni Paat.
And ito yung sinasabi natin kanina na we mentioned Paat and how they're really counting on her to fill in the shoes of Soriano.
Well, she's very tall and very long. Listed at 5'9". Naniniwala ka ba 5'9" niya? Mukha 6-footer na yan eh.
Alam mo, pag babae, minsan, ayaw namin sabihin.
Bakit nga? Yun ang tinatanong kay King, tinatanong kay Nerissa Bautista. Ba't dahil nyo sabihin 6-footer kayo?
Sige, ako 6-footer ako eh.
Hindi ka 6-footer. Si Ate Ivy malapit-lapit na doon, pero hindi ikaw.
In denial din yun. 5'10".
Oh, nice return there. 5'10", sino? Si Ate.
5'10", 5'9".
Benting. And that is a power shot coming from the former Adamson captain. Nasa coaching staff kasi ito si Benting eh.
Okay, hindi yan nawawala sa kondisyon din.
Oh, that's
even
right.
If hindi natin siya nakitang naglalaro over the past season ng UAAP, kasama yan palagi sa training.
12-6 right now. Lady Falcons soaring early. Nice serve there coming from Pat. At free ball tuloy yung resulta rito. Diaz, Pineda, Makatuno, running attack, Guevara. Guevara now, shoots it across. Too near for Benting, pero hindi rin napalo ni Sandra. So, umandar yung adlib para sa Adamson.
It was also very rare error here for De Los Santos.
Oo.
Pag ganyan, ano yan eh, sabik sa regalo.
Naku, maagang palitan dito. Diaz will sit down. Suyat comes in along with Guillermo. Guillermo is now their setter. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. So, ito na si Ann Guillermo. Kapangalan pa ng partner ko, ha? Dapat magaling yan. Nax. Malakas din kumain.
Palagay ko.
13-6. Sana yung manggang hilaw natin, Ann.
Kala ko lilibre mo ako
Ay,
tsaka
nako.
pizza.
Pizza at manggang hilaw. Magandang kombinasyon yun, ha?
Oo.
Paat. Makatuno. Too small against Cases. Ragged volleyball being shown here so far by Perpetual sa ating first set. Guevara.
Guevara has had quite a few points. Hindi nakukuha ng Lady Altas.
And that delayed pa eh. Hindi naka-adjust yung blockers that time. So Guevara now gives Adamson their biggest lead of the game at 8 points. 14-6. At napalakas ang serve ni Maylene Paat. Sipin mo yan, 6-footer na kaliwete. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Here's the reigning MVP, Sandra De Los Santos. Nice serve.
Wow, nice. Strong serve.
And given up there by Pat. Guillermo now on the set up to Tobino na nalunod.
Masyadong mataas yung set. Sayang because it came from such a good serve. And kaya lahat ng coaches sinasabi, lakasan, kargahan ng serve. If you would see, nasira yung opensa nitong Adamson. But then yun nga, nasayang, nalunod si Tobino.
Yan ang itsura ng mga nalulunod talaga sa ere. 15-7. Tobino, dug up by Pineda. Soriano into the net.
Set was too low.
And kanina we were making a point about yung Adamson's evolution dito. Well, umabot nga sila sa finals ng UAAP in 2008. Kahit na wala silang katangkaran, tallest player nila si Sang Laguilles. Pero they had the best setter and the best libero in the league sa kanilang lineup. In Janet Serafica at si Leslie Angata.
Oh, and that made a very big difference.
Yes. Benting. Soriano. Condada with the reception there. Oh, Suyat took her eye off the ball. 16-8. It's been all Adamson dito po sa ating first set.